guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue body wash slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some of your ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue body wash slime. So yeah, so the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is body wash. I'm using this Elsa one from Frozen. I got this from Walgreens. You can use any type. There's also this Peppa Pig one I found there. You can use that too. So any type of body wash. You're also going to need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool, of course. So I'm first going to get out my bowl or plate, and I'm going to zoom in on this really quick. I'm just using this container, an airtight one, and I'm going to get out this body wash. It's this Frozen one. Now, I've used this before in a past video. If you know which video that is, put it in the comments down below. But I've also used Peppa Pig one, and it works amazing. But I'm going to use this one for today because I love the color. And I'm going to add it right into my bowl. The more you add is how much slime you will get. So I'm going to add that much. And isn't that color so pretty? And now I'm going to get mixing it up. So you're going to mix it for about a minute to maybe 2 minutes, however longer is how thick the slime will get. So that looks like enough mixing, but I just thought about it. I want to add some food coloring into there to make it a little bit of a darker blue, so I'm going to do that now. And this is like stuck on there, but there it is now. Okay, that looks like enough. I'm going to put this back on, and now I'm going to get mixing this too. I love the color. It looks so pretty, and I've actually spilled that everywhere, but I'll clean that up in a second. But now I'm going to put this into the freezer for about an hour, and I'll see you guys in about a second. So it's been about an hour and a half, and I'm really excited to see how it turned out. I put it in the freezer, but I also mixed it every 30 minutes to see how it turned out. And let's see. I can already tell it's really bubbly just from looking at it, from all the mixing, and oh my gosh. I feel like it got a little bit frozen from the freezer. I'm not sure, but it looks really cool, the color. Let's see how, oh my gosh. This turned out really cool. I'm really shocked by how this turned out. It's so thick and bubbly, and like, I can just tell this turned out as an awesome no glue slime. I feel like my no glue slime recipes have been getting better and less liquidy from like, I don't know, I do so many no glue slime recipes that I try out every week. But this one turned out amazing. And it's just one ingredient, which is so awesome. So one ingredient no glue slime right here. It's so thick. It's really fun to play with. But I want to tell you guys also that this will melt probably after a few hours because I'm doing a voiceover right now, maybe if you can tell, and it did melt after a few hours. But make sure you play with it for however long as you want and put it back into the refrigerator or freezer. But this turned out really awesome, and it's so thick, and like the bubble pops are amazing on this as well. Like, hear this? That's so good. It's just like a glue slime, but it's a no glue slime, so it's really cool. But this recipe was awesome, and I really hope you guys like this recipe today. But yeah, this slime recipe was awesome. It was just body wash and a little bit of food coloring. You don't have to add food coloring, but I've done one on this Peppa Pig one before, and this is my second time doing this Frozen one, and it turned out amazing. This is from Walgreens as well if you want to check it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I'm so excited for all the videos coming out this month. You guys are going to love them all. More fidget videos are coming soon. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us what it is. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!